The Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, a supersport legend. When it comes to performance, technology, and precision engineering, few motorcycles can match the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. This Italian masterpiece is the culmination of decades of racing, expertise, and cutting-edge innovation, making it a favorite among enthusiasts and track riders alike. Let's explore what makes this bike so extraordinary. Engine, a powerhouse in every sense. At the heart of the RSV4 1100 factory lies a 1099cc V4 engine, delivering an awe-inspiring 217 horsepower in standard form. With the race kit installed, which includes an Akrapovic titanium exhaust, power climbs to a staggering 230 horsepower. This makes it one of the most powerful production superbikes ever built. What sets this engine apart is its compact design, narrow V-angle, and advanced electronics. The V4 configuration ensures smooth power delivery, while features like variable valve timing optimize performance across the rev range. Whether you're carving through corners or hitting top speeds, the RSV4 1100 factory offers relentless acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note that defines Aprilia's racing DNA. Aerodynamics. Inspired by MotoGP, the RSV4 1100 factory is designed with aerodynamics in mind, featuring carbon fiber winglets inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP bikes. These winglets generate downforce at high speeds, improving stability under braking and through corners. Combined with its lightweight frame and sharp handling, the bike feels glued to the road, even during aggressive maneuvers. Cutting-edge electronics. Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 1100 factory with some of the most advanced electronics in the motorcycle world. It features a 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, that powers systems like traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and launch control. Riders can customize settings through multiple riding modes: rain, sport, race, and a customizable to suit their preferences and conditions. A full-color TFT display provides real-time data, including throttle input, lean angle, and gear position, while smartphone connectivity allows riders to manage settings via the Aprilia MIA app. 4.